Hello students, today we will solve some of the questions here related to treatment of goodwill. Here I am reading a question, then we will solve this question. It says LM and O are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3:2. M retires and the goodwill valued at 72,000. Now we see that here it is the old profit sharing ratio and goodwill value is, and M retires, 72,000 is the value. Now calculate M share of goodwill. We have to find out how much share of goodwill M will receive and pass the necessary journal entry for goodwill. L and O decided to share future profits and losses in ratio of 5:3. This is the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, this is the new profit sharing ratio. So this is the old profit sharing ratio, new profit sharing ratio. If we want to find out the gain, new minus old we will do. And then second thing what we want to know is that we have to make the journal entry and M share of goodwill. M share, how we will get M share of goodwill? What is his profit sharing ratio? Here we will see. M share is LMO. 4:3:2 means 3 upon 4, 3 7 plus 2 9. 3 upon 9 is the share of M, and the value of goodwill, total value of the goodwill is 72,000. So M share will be 3 upon 9. So 3 upon 9 of 72,000. So share of goodwill, if you want to know, then 3 upon 9 of 72,000, 72,000, it is 24,000. Okay, this is the share of goodwill. Now we want to know the sacrifice, because this amount which is to be given to M will be borne by the remaining partners in their gaining ratio. So what is the gaining ratio that we are calculating here? Gaining ratio, new ratio minus old ratio. So new ratio, as in the question is there. What is the new ratio? Here it is given that new ratio of this L is 5 upon 8, and 5 upon 8 of L, and O's 3 upon 8. It is given 5:3. They are going to share the profits there. So 5 upon 3 and 3, 5 upon 8 and 3 upon 8, and old ratio 4 upon 9. Total share are 4 3 7 plus 2 9. So 4 upon 9 L was taking, 4 upon 9 old share, and O share 2 upon 9. So new share minus old share, when we calculate this LCM, we will take that will come 72. 72. So and 8 9 ja 72. So 5 9 ja 45 here, and then 9 8 ja 72. So 4 8 ja 32. So when we will deduct this, it comes 13 upon 72. It is the gaining of A, L. Okay, then comes to A, 3 upon 8 minus 2 upon 9. We will take the LCM of 8 and 9. It comes 72. Okay, now 8 9 ja 72. So 3 9 ja 27, and 9 8 ja 72. To 9 8 ja 72. So 2 8 ja 16. When you deduct that, it will come 11 upon 72. So now their gaining ratio is 13 upon 72 and 11 upon 72, or we can say 13 ratio 11. So in this ratio they will share the they will bear the this value of the goodwill. So here both the partners will be debited. L's capital account is debit and O's capital account is debit to M's capital account. So total value is to be given, means good value of goodwill is to be given 24,000 to M. His share, that is 3 upon 9. So this comes 24,000. It will be borne by both of them in ratio of 13:11. 13 ratio 11. So 13,000 L will bear and O will bear 11,000. This way this is done. Okay, now we'll take the another question. Now come to the another question here. Here is the question that PQR and S were partners in the firm sharing profits in ratio of 5:3:1. On 1st January 2017, S retires from the firm. On S retirement, the goodwill was valued 4,20,000. New profit sharing ratio between PQR will be 4:3:3. Showing your working notes clearly, pass necessary journal entry and treatment of goodwill in the books of the firm on S. It is same like the first one. This is new ratio, this is old ratio. New minus old ratio of the remaining partner will come the gaining ratio. And here is the firm's value of goodwill is 4,20,000. 4,20,000. We will calculate the share to be given to the retiring partner, that is S. S share was 1/538,910. 1/10. So 1/10 of this 4,20,000 is 42,000 is to be given to them, which will be borne in the sacrificing ratio, gaining ratio of the partner. Partners will be debited with their gaining ratio, and S will be credited with 42,000. So this is the journal entry. Now come to the another question. It says Aparna, Manisha, Sonika partner showing profit in ratio. Manisha retires, goodwill of the firm valued itna, share future profit in the ratio of, it is same like the this first two questions. Okay, we'll take the next one now. Now the next question, XYZ. This question is also the same what we had done, and here we will read this one. It is little bit changed, not this much. XYZ are the partners sharing profit in ratio of 3:1. Goodwill is appearing in the books at a value of rupees 60,000. Means goodwill is shown in the books. So when Y is retiring, before to that we will just this write off this goodwill by debiting partners capital account. So in their profit sharing ratio. So what is the journal entry? If you want to put the journal entry, this 60,000 will be debited in partners capital account in 3:1 ratio. So 60,000 3 plus 1 6. 1/6 will be borne by Z. That is 6 10,000. 20,000 will be by Y and Z 30,000. 30, 20 and 10. So what is the journal entry for that? If you want to put the journal entry for this, here XYZ journal entry, question number 21. It is X capital account debit, Y's capital account debit, Z's capital account debit to goodwill account, and goodwill is value in the books is 60,000, and this will be written off by 10, 20, 30,000. 30, 20 and 10,000 for goodwill written off. Okay, and XY decided to share future profit and pass the necessary journal entry through goodwill account. Okay, we have to open the goodwill account. Through goodwill account we can open. Nothing is told here in the question that goodwill account is to be opened with the share of retiring partner or for the full value. We can do in the both way. This result will be the same. So we can do this way also. Retiring partners, if we open the goodwill account at full value, the goodwill this goodwill account debit to, if we are opening it with the share of the retiring partner, we will just make it this 20 for this 28,000, Otherwise, if we are this for the full value we are opening, we will show it here 84,000. 84,000 if we are showing, है so we can show it here 84,000 first, and then we'll credit all the partner to X capital account, to Y's capital account, to Z's capital account. Then how much? 321 it is to be shared. 321 means 28,000 of this his share, 28,000, because, and 14,000 of his, 14, 28, 42. This is the share. If we add up this, it should come 84. 4, 8, 10, 4, 14, 5, 2, 7 and 1, 8. 84,000 for partners credited way for goodwill. ठीक है. Now we will write off the goodwill with the remaining partners capital account. So who are the Y is retiring, so remaining partners are Y's capital account DR, Z's capital account DR, to goodwill. For full value we will write off here. What is the full value? That is 84,000. With 84,000 we had opened it with 84,000, है ना? 84,000 we had opened, and this 84,000 will be debited in these partners account in their new profit sharing ratio. Okay, this is new profit sharing ratio. Earlier, in old profit sharing ratio they were credited, and with the new profit sharing ratio they are debited. So what happens? Finally we see that what is there? The net effect, when we see that 42,000 earlier X was credited and 56,000 debited, means 14,000 here will be borne by X, and when we talk see the account of this Z, 14,000 he is credited and 28,000 he is credited. No, sorry, he was credited and now 28,000 he is debited, means 14,000 he is giving. So 14,000 both are bearing same amount, 14,000. It means their gaining ratio is the same that we have already calculated here. Their gaining ratio here is the same. New ratio minus old ratio 1/6, and his is this Z gaining ratio is 1/6, and this is the. Now we want to calculate this in this other way also we can do, in which only the goodwill account is opened in the books with the value of retiring partner share. So here, if this would have been done, then goodwill account would have been opened with 28,000, and this 28,000 goodwill account, and this it would have been credited in the account of retiring partner Z capital. So here, if we want to do it in that way, so here entry would have been goodwill account debit to Y's capital account 28,000, है ना, for goodwill credited in his account. ठीक है. Then this goodwill now we have to write off. So X capital account debit, Z's capital account debit, remaining partners are debited to goodwill, है ना. This is in their gaining ratio. Gaining ratio, what is the gaining ratio here? Once equal, है ना, means 14,000 will be borne by 14,000 will be borne by X and 14,000, because we had calculated here this gaining ratio 1:1 means equal. So 28,000 which is to be given to Y, that will be borne by X and Z in equal ratio. 14,000 to goodwill was opened with 28,000. Okay, this would have been done. So here we can see effect is the same. Here finally X and Z is credited with 14 and 14,000 each. Here if we see in this question also the same was happened. 42,000 earlier they were credited, 56,000 debited, है ना. So if we finally see 14,000 X is debited, and if we come to the Z, 14,000 he was credited, 28,000 debited, means net effect is 14,000 debit to X account. So here this we have done when this goodwill account is opened with the share of retiring partners. ठीक है, when here goodwill account is opened with the full value. When with the full value the capital account is opened, then earlier and the partners are this credited first with the value of the goodwill and their old profit sharing ratio, then they are debited with the remaining partners are debited with their new profit sharing ratio, that is there. Okay, so this we have done.